Alright, just a short for today. Down below there, we got this little scrape thing of a bobber that goes in there. I'm going to clean this shop out today too, or the garage. This isn't the shop. Yeah, we got some stuff here with this. However, I'm a little out of breath because I was running down and checking the mail and coming back. But I'm missing the other part that goes underneath there when I hit the raccoons. I thought I had that piece of plastic over here, but I don't. These are all for like the wheel wells, basically, up underneath the wheel there. And I thought I had the plastic piece that connects to this, which this connects to the bottom of the bumper. There's a bigger plastic piece that goes in there. That's gone. I thought I had it. So that was my mission today. I might still try to figure some stuff out because I still have some plastic pieces left over from the Ford Edge when we hit a deer. If I can try to cut some stuff up and make something work, cool. You know, custom. We'll do it. But I'm going to pull this car forward. I'm going to clean out this garage and then see what I can do for that. This is just a short, this is not me actually doing this video. If you guys want me to show you how to do something like this, I mean, it's pretty simple, but I can do it. But, because I don't think I'm going to do it today. Because I'm missing that big plastic, I'm going to call it a guard, that goes underneath the radiator and the AC condenser and shit and kind of connects to your front bumper underneath your engine bay there. The front goes right into here. All that is, that you can see the ground. I hate that you can see it. So that's the plan. If I can't figure that out, I might just buy the new one online, because the raccoons definitely took my shit. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff here to burn and throw away. But yeah, let's pull this out and clean this garage up. Yes. Took the mic off again because, like I said, my car hates that mic setup right here. This my car distorts that so bad. Then again, my car is loud. Warm it down a little bit. I'm looking at both sides. I know you guys are not. There we go. I'm gonna clean all this out. Alright, got these off the car, which are around my vents. I cleaned all the black off of them because I plastic dipped them black, and we were going to wrap them the same color as the car. Got one done over here. And so yeah, I'm going to go around here and heat this up a little bit and just go around again. So that's what we're going to be doing for that. That we're going to have the vents around the vents match the car. I might do the middle one later. That looks a little bit more difficult, but I am going to try and tackle it maybe another day. I got some other stuff going on today. I probably have enough time to wrap these, and we'll see if I even have time to put them on, which, I mean, should be easy. All right. Later. All right. All done. Looks better. Nothing crazy, but who knows? Maybe I'll wrap some more things eventually. If you have not yet, subscriber. We're getting close to 2K. And that means another giveaway. Alright. See y'all later.